Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be teaching you how to use AutoSum formula in Excel. So let's get started. There are two formulas through which we can use AutoSum in Excel. So let's get some data. 10, 20, 30. You can take any of the data. I am taking these 10, 20 and 30 to to use this for to use AutoSum. The first formula is equal to is equal to plus plus and enter, and here we got our answer. So this is the first formula. So let's delete this answer, and the second formula is equal to sorry, is equal to sum, sorry, is equal to and enter. And this is the first formula through which we can use AutoSum in Excel. Thank you guys for watching my video. I will be back with another video soon.